Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Hinna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kano seniatia.
Yede nyamisro, oman hodo. Oman kanko. Ena ekire ya adwenfa ye man Ghana ho. Ye ni atene mo ye nsuro nyamisa mesuro nipa. Yedi oboni die ye adwuma ne esa so twimpanifo adwen die sinema bia ese wo ye memo. Mede ni akwasi se na adwada. Asemi di kabre ena asun. Alpam wadwuma tawbi ya ye fro na yedi enkomo bi. On pense mu. Me tell story bi ye wo postghana.com. Spaka just asem di kano. Se benye nie obi fi se no bedwen se obi ntia se ye the evidence ne to na ye nyina ahyase ye ho adwuma. Ni akopenchire mu enso aka ho. Koda mini cars to replace Okada left to rot. They the story awonum. No krebe na wom. Semba kaya. NPP aban sheyebo as part of that John Mahama and the NDC aban ede ebase. Ome lines se a regularize Okada form wa yadwuma e wo yemam no. Asamba ko a NPP for e quality asado mo kai se. Yemma Okada enya me obi di cars bi ba. Ye baba yi Okada na free system ni mu. E di kan kuma betime ye adwuma se Okada eye na. Contemporary sa. Ba ne baba nyina ye se ne yakokra se twam no adaso gu baabi egu abampedfo enfanye hwe. This is a story at postghana.com ede aba mame kwa amaso na me deputy CEO ede ma Coastal Development Authority Kingsley Kofi Kakaribonzi ekodi nkomo Kofi tiri ka mo acha da pai eba assembly ka dwumadi so. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Kofi, good morning.
Morning.
Bako there.
Yamina Adom pacho mo so mo hoten.
Ya de amia se voice no e wo fam nim se Freeham de ambacho Freeham de amunya ho adwa na voice no wo fam pa ma me. Na me timi ni Kofi eni nkomo. What is this issue about see akokra eye mini cars dia ba no moja ya e pray.
Me pacho onto them.
Okay.
Me mo wati for jina cho wadima bro. Onto them oye false reportage by me nipa kro ni motive me nim ade opede onya no the false information now they to Ghana for Asem. In the first place there was a need there yen so as a government agency ye be na famous na ye de abre Okada accident na adonasi into a started pilot project of 100 cars. 2020, 100 cars are there, launching 100 cars in our picking in our fee and premise. So, in the first place, there's nothing like mini cars have been allowed to rot in our premise. We don't have such cars in our premises. Second, there's a whooping cost of about 85 million Ghana cedis. So, no, so the car no go to ground. Supply for initial 200 cars, no. 100 na supply and the buy. If you na car, ni na cost here 2.5 million Ghana cedis. On 85 million Ghana cedis. 2.5 million Ghana cedis for those 100 cars. Ya chama nkofo ye gudua ye jiji huska. Into on no carry there. Ka bi wo yen premise bia or prototype. Anya no kren so there obi akofa car na boye 85 million Ghana cedis.
Okay, eti se enye no kren na che 100 cars na 3 years ni pilot no akwakosi se mo assessment so far eti say
Pacho maintain papa.
Me bisa se enye no kren se cars no erot na mache 3 years ago a na bisa se mo assessment on the pilot na mo ye no eti say
me referee nanti word na use here no.
Okay.
Me there ka bibi for the pilot.
Ne me bisa se wo si 100 na buy no eye pilot na mo de ye.
and your 100 cars.
That is it. And I'm just saying, you start your pilot in Finchia Bessa Miensa, every 3 years. But anyway, so far, my assessment of the pilot, at the same.
Oh, it was right oversubscribed, except that the cars from India. And dollar no cost between 2020 and now. Yes, so a pro agency. I said it there, BBBR never buy too high to the friend and consumer no yet in your okay. You need suppliers in the trans and now what the another 100 crab. The entire pilot project was supposed to have about 200 vehicles. And what they what the 100 by no what allow one now one final bonus free to 25,000 Ghana cedis to 30,000. We didn't allow that, so it ended there.
Okay.
And the 100 now all out only managing the CCA.
But 100 najuma wo mo and what it's to Okada najuma difference it is saying.
It's oversubscribed, but not basically for Okada. It is also as an income generating venture for.
Now, Kofi, who said the purpose of the minicars was say, NDC forecast say, Ombe Pinamo Okada aye juma.
Well, don't allow NDC to set agenda for a government agency. We are
because that's the reason Tia Bainam so for the minicars nearby to deal away with Okada.
That is what you think. NDC4 doesn't set agenda for us. We are Coastal Development Authority. We are not NDC agency.
Nabio COVID me can say NDC for the set agenda. But I mean say this mini cars no eba as a result of say NDC car say obepene ama Okada aye adwuma e na aban be ka kire yen say ye de ye ma Okada enye adwuma ye de mini cars be ba aba replace Okada. And that is that thing aban dia share monsaya amoye to mako kra the first 100 Ede Abba. Okay.
That angle is not completely accurate.
Okay.
Or your mandate, as part of our mandate, our friend that outboard motors. Zama Bibre, Koda Health Trainer. Sa mini cars is so Bajaj cute, no, also part of our pro-poor policies. One, as part of it to support the Okada people and also to create wealth, especially I want to know which you want one tax in which you want 160 Ghana cedis. Baseline surveys are and then now Kofubi which you tax at the end of the month, they are paid just about 160,000 Ghana 160 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
One can also so BGB now one can say you wow car. And yet there is so it wasn't just for Okada, but about 60% of the subscribers are Okada people, more than 60%.
A good initiative, officer say a bank to invest in it.
But I say
a good initiative, your officer or say a bank to invest in it.
A good initiative, except the current cost none yet. And at that time, 25,000 Ghana cedis, it wasn't bad at all. But CCR dollar no control. At that time, dollar was around 6 cedis. CCR, we are looking at about 12 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And it wouldn't be a good business for any government to invest in that unless the Sabanajia we still have to subsidize cost.
Yeah, that's okay. The HM say that and someone nam yes mini cars ba replace Okada no nya no kre
o.
Me quote NPP.
So which government agency said this? Which government person said this? Is it from the Coastal Development Authority?
The Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia,
said this and directed Coastal Development Authority.
The Vice President of Ghana, and a Ghana 40 as ye say, ye the mini bus, cars, baby replace Okada.
CCR issues on only the fact that somebody is turning out lies or I'm amazing. Engine to can baby for fraud.
Somebody selling like this. I think say you clarify. I'm anti say you say enya no kre.
And you know na me peda me address for.
Okay. Bedase Kofi, ya bedase.
Masu medase, nyamisha wana juma power.
Kingsley Kofi Bonzi, Deputy CEO, Edema Coastal Development Authority. Eti osikas na nyane kure se erote. But baby odi aba wie na mede 1 minute bi so wie se. If indeed se ni abrese pese you okada ne free system ni mu dia. Then the price no mo kan wasema amana ba ye o how kese de ma okada fo so mu ntimi nto no. O menye ho adwuma. Because ye ntimi nya over 30,000 okada e wo Ghana. Ni ankofa 100 pe ma be som se ene ba be so ano. Sabai eni abrese ampara ni nnuane ampa so obeyi okada na free system ni mu na pra ne atoranchem okada ede ebre asoman no eso betimi abrase ni okofa mini cars na dia badia then 100 cars no entimi en service asem way. And I think piloting for 3 years is enough. Piloting for 3 years and long enough for us to make a definite decision on this. So, Mr. President, say abeni swedu say ampara say mo kam oboshem 2020 prior to 2020 elections. As a yamba okada nyaj me pekas nkuma de amo dia 100 enyehe. And this 100 eka wasem no you spend across board. Now no do tamalekura say be mem. E did ya question here. Yadi pese mutu aso. Asem.